In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Handshake AI. First, let's be clear, Handshake AI doesn't normally have a withdraw button that lets you choose when to take your money out. Instead, Handshake AI automatically sends eligible earning through the payment system. Handshake currently uses Stripe for these payouts. So, the important part is setting up your payout method correctly. So first of all, once you're logged into your Handshake AI account, make sure to go to the payment section here at the top. You'll find projects and you'll find payments. Of course, if you're not on the AI work, you'll not find that section. So make sure that you are on the AI work option. So once you are there, you will be able to find payments here at the top. Click on it. And if you haven't set up a payment yet, also you'll need to set up also your tax. Make sure to set up those up. So as you can see for me, I do have my payments set out and also my tax form. For you, you will have to set that up both if it's your first time. So basically, they will have to connect you through Stripe. If you want a direct like bank uh, deposits or withdrawn, you'll have to enter those information as well. They will give you options depending on the country that you are from. So make sure to enter your informations. Add your payout account and you should be or you should finish the setup. So you should find something like this once you click on payments. Here you'll find as example the earnings. Also on the right, like awaiting for payout, total paid, task this week, your payouts method, form and everything. If you want to edit anything, they'll ask you to verify your identity. So make sure to do it if you want to edit anything there. So after Handshake, basically or after you earn some money from projects, for example, on the AI work, you do not need to manually withdraw your earning every week. Handshake currently says that it normally sends payouts to its payments partners by Wednesday afternoon. So the normal weekly payments cover work from the previous Monday through Sunday. So if you completed eligible paid work, your earnings should automatically move through the payments process. So after Handshake sends your payments, it can take up to 48 hours, so 2 days for the payments to process and become available through your chosen payout method. You may also receive your money in more than one payment. For example, Handshake says hourly earnings and extra rewards can basically sometimes arrive separately. So keep that in mind. So from here, as example payments, you can track your earnings and everything this month, this week, all time and everything, and you should be good to go. So that's how you withdraw money from Handshake AI. There isn't a withdraw method or button or something like that. So that should be it for me in this video. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.